Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss class 7 chemistry, chapter 6 characteristics of chemical reaction, exercise question and answer. Question number E. Question number E, answer the following questions. Number 1, name a yellow explosive liquid formed by reaction of two gases. Answer is when ammonia reacts with excess of chlorine, a yellow explosive liquid nitrogen trichloride is formed. Reaction is ammonia plus chlorine. Products are nitrogen trichloride and hydrochloric acid. Question number 2. What are chemical reactions that give off energy called? Answer is chemical reactions that give off energy are called exothermic reactions. Number 3. What is the function of absorbed energy during vaporization? Answer is during vaporization, the absorbed energy is utilized to increase the molecular distance between the molecules. Question number 4. Give a reaction in which two gases react to form a solid product. Answer is when ammonia gas reacts with chloride gas, it forms dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. This dense white fumes represents the solid state of matter. The reaction is NH3 plus HCl, arrow NH4Cl. Number 5. When is catalyst said to be positive? Answer is when a catalyst accelerates the speed of the reaction, it is called a positive catalyst. For example, MnO2 acts as a positive catalyst in the decomposition of KClO3 into KCl and O2. Number 6. Define catalyst. Answer is catalyst is substance which increases or decreases the speed of a chemical reaction without itself undergoing any chemical change. Number 7. What do you observe when vinegar is added to a baking soda? Answer is when vinegar is poured on baking soda, then bubbles of carbon dioxide gas form quickly. Water and sodium acetate are also formed. The reaction is CH3COOH plus NaHCO3. Arrow CH3COONA plus H2O plus carbon dioxide gas. Number 8. Define precipitate. A precipitate is an insoluble product which is formed when two chemical compounds react to form a substance which is insoluble and separate out from the solution. Question number 9. How is carbon disulfide formed from carbon and sulfur? When red hot carbon in solid state is treated with sulfur vapor, then it forms carbon disulfide which has a liquid state. The reaction is carbon solid plus 2s gas arrow CS2 which is liquid. Question number 10. When water is added to quicklime, it started boiling. Explain. Answer is when quicklime, that is calcium oxide, is added in a beaker containing some water, then water becomes very hot and starts boiling. The reaction is CaO plus H2O, arrow CaOH whole 2 plus heat energy. Question number 11. Explain evolution of gas giving at least 4 examples. So examples are the number A. When vinegar is poured on baking soda, then bubbles of carbon dioxide gas form quickly. Water and sodium acetate are also formed. CH3COOH plus NaHCO3, arrow CH3COONA plus H2O plus CO2 gas. Example number B, when sodium metal is added to water, then it reacts vigorously, liberating hydrogen gas and forming sodium hydroxide. 2Na plus 2H2O, arrow 2NaOH plus H2 gas plus heat. Example number C, when zinc metal is treated with dilute sulfuric acid, hydrogen gas is evolved. The hydrogen gas burns with a pop sound. The reaction is Zn plus H2O dilute, arrow ZnSO4 plus H2 gas. Number D, when copper sulfide is treated with hydrochloric acid, it gives a foul smelling gas, hydrogen sulfide, which has rotten egg smell. The reaction is CuS plus 2HCl, arrow CuCl2 plus H2S gas. Question number 12. Explain the formation of precipitate, giving example. When a solution of sodium hydroxide is mixed with a solution of copper sulfate, then deep blue precipitates of copper hydroxide are formed. Reaction is 2NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, it is colorless, plus CuSO4, that is copper sulfate, light blue color, arrow CuOH whole 2, it is the precipitation of copper hydroxide, color is deep blue, plus Na2SO4, that is sodium sulfate.